Hardwood floors are beautiful, but keeping them spotless requires the right tools. As more homeowners shift away from carpet, the demand for effective, floor-safe mops has grown. Whether you're cleaning up after kids, pets, or everyday messes, a great mop can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll evaluate the best mops for Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. The Bona Premium Spray Mop is a favorite among hardwood floor owners, and for good reason. Designed specifically for hardwood, this mop comes with a refillable cartridge pre-filled with Bona's highly rated cleaning solution. The ergonomic design and extra-large mop head make cleaning quicker, while the fine mist spray ensures the right amount of solution is applied without oversaturating the wood. It includes a durable, reusable microfiber pad that lifts and traps dirt effectively without scratching the surface. The build quality is solid, and the lightweight aluminum handle offers excellent maneuverability. With no batteries or electricity required, it's also eco-friendly and cost-effective, ideal for routine cleaning and O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop system brings the power of deep cleaning to hardwood without being harsh. Its standout feature is the hands-free ringing mechanism, which allows users to control the mop's moisture level, key for maintaining hardwood. The microfiber mop head is ultra-absorbent and machine washable, offering great value over time. This system is particularly useful for larger areas, thanks to its high-capacity bucket and splash guard. The 360-degree swivel head reaches under furniture and into corners with ease. Though it's not the most compact option, it's extremely effective for removing stubborn dirt and grime without
Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop Cleaner Starter Kit. For those who want a no-fuss, grab-and-go solution, the Swiffer WetJet Hardwood Starter Kit delivers. This battery-powered spray mop uses dual nozzles to evenly distribute its cleaning solution with the push of a button. It's specifically formulated for hardwood and safe to use daily. The mop pads have a scrubbing strip to handle tough spots without scratching. Assembly is quick, and the lightweight design is great for quick cleaning sessions. However, it relies on proprietary pads and solution refills, which can add up in cost over time. Still, the convenience and ease of use make it a popular choice for busy households.
Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Mop Kit. The Swiffer PowerMop is the brand's answer to tougher cleaning jobs across multiple surfaces, including hardwood. It comes equipped with a battery-powered spray mechanism and textured pads that trap dirt efficiently. The cleaning solution is safe for wood and designed to break down sticky messes quickly. Its upgraded design makes it feel sturdier and more ergonomic compared to earlier models. The swivel head helps with maneuverability in tight spaces, while the quick-drying formula ensures no streaks are left behind. This kit is especially suited for homes with pets or children where messes are frequent. Again, the need for replacement pads and solution may be a downside, but the
Swiffer Sweep and Mop Deluxe 2-in-1 Floor Mopping and Sweeping Kit. If you're looking for a flexible, budget-friendly solution, the Swiffer Sweep and Mop Deluxe Kit offers dual functionality in one tool. It can sweep up dust and debris with dry pads and switch to mopping mode with wet cloths, all compatible with hardwood flooring. This is a great option for small spaces or quick cleanups, where pulling out a full mop system isn't practical. The mop head is lightweight and swivels easily, reaching under furniture and into tight corners. While it doesn't provide the deepest clean, it's perfect for maintenance and touch-ups. It's also a great starter option for apartments or dorms. Just keep in mind that the disposable pads aren't the most eco-friendly choice for heavy users.